What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna be doing another review, everything on another product here. This is the Grimmspeed front strut bar for the 2022 Plus Subaru WRX. Now this is something that I've had my eye on for a while. Okay, so let's open it from Grimmspeed. Nice. This is pretty cool. Hey. Same other thing. Thank you for your purchase. We appreciate your business. If you have any questions regarding your purchase, reach out to us at this number. Packaged by Drake. Hey, not bad. Oh man. Alright, cool. We have a few Grimmspeed stickers. Black and red. Cool. A license plate frame. This is actually pretty cool. Market innovation. So that. Dude. So this is it, guys. This is the front strut bar from Grimmspeed. Here we go. So this is pretty much how it's gonna be. You have Grimmspeed right there. Got that. The other side doesn't have it though, unfortunately, but it's still pretty solid. I'm surprised it came like intact. I thought it was like building it together. But this is cool, man. It doesn't weigh like a whole lot, you know, 5 pounds maybe, 8, around there, probably give or take. That's it for the unboxing, guys. But this is pretty much what comes. Obviously, the front strut bar, the license plate frame, some stickers. Let's install this, all right? Boom. Whew. All right. A little dirty. Don't mind the dirt. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is pretty much what it is right here. We did the installation. Literally it was pre-installed as it was. So all we really did is just screw these two guys right here, place it down right here, tighten these guys with the Allen wrench inside, then another socket down right here, cranked it up, and then tighten these guys with the wrench. So we did this same process on the other side as well. Nothing crazy really. It's pretty simple.